Welcome to our daily 10-minute low impact functional fitness movement session. Let's start with a clapjack to get warm. Go at your pace today, modify as always. I am so inspired today by these flight of stairs I just found on an island right in the middle of Helsinki, where a very famous Finnish president, Urho Kekkonen, came right here to work out. Into his later stages of life, he stayed active, incredibly physically fit, and he would jump up these steps with one single bound right to the top step. Incredible feat of strength, balance for anybody at any age. And let's start to be seeing stairs as an opportunity, an invitation to get stronger mentally and physically. If you have a chair nearby, please grab it. We are going to move on to the next exercise, and there are some things I would like to do with the chair today. Are you ready to go? Let's really get started now. Here we go. I hope you are as inspired by those steps as I am. You've got your chair, right? The most simple of simple. Sit to stand. Maybe you need your hands to help. Perfectly excellent. Do what works best for you. Engage your core, and you can do this. We're building leg strength, mobility, core stability. I want you to think of this exercise as something that you can do anytime throughout your day. You're watching television, sitting at your desk doing your work. Hey, I can do 10 sit to stands. Maybe I want to do 100 today. I'm going to do 10 sets of 10 throughout the day. This one exercise can change everything. Let's go. 3 more. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. Okay. Let's step to the side and twist. Step to the side, twist. Just changing it up a bit. Maybe you get a childlike skip going. I really believe that bending, twisting, squatting are so key to our joint health, to staying young and promoting more activity. The more we move, the more we move. I love it. Twist the whole body. Brilliant. Oh, a couple more. Lovely, lovely. Let's build amazing balance, simplicity, just a leg raise. Up for 2, to the side for 2. Other leg, up, forward for 2, to the side for 2. You have your chair nearby. If you need it for balance, you got it. Get that leg up as high as you can. If you lose your balance, no problem. We're getting better every day. There's a family of geese coming my way. Stay with it, Drew. Distractions are always in our environment. How do we come back to our intention, our focus? Oh, yes. You can really feel that in the hips, I bet. I sure can. Amazing strength. And again, use that chair if you need it. That's what it's there for. And then maybe you can take it off for one moment for try it without. It's all good. Last one on each side. Oh, why not? Have a look. Life is good. Oh, now I gotta reset everything up. It's fine. We're here for some fun, yes? Let's go back. Sit to stand. Twist. Bend. Twist and bend. Bend your knees as much as possible. Not as much as possible, as much as you need. If you can go straight leg, happy days. Up, twist, bend, come back up, then sit. This one movement of just here, sitting to standing. Oh, it's working so much. Move simply. The key to our health, really. Back to basics. Natural movement. 3 more? All right. Last one. In that time, I lost count. I'm gonna sit and up. Brilliant. Got everything, we're okay here. Okay. Arms up, step back, come to the top of your foot, okay? For ankle mobility. Feel a stretch in your ankle. We want to climb stairs. The more mobility we have, the more we're going to want to. And I think we often forget about the ankles. I think a lot of us have stiff ankles. Well, this move is great for mobility in the upper back. But as well, push down on the top of that foot. Really feel that stretch in the ankle. These exercises are to promote taking the stairs. Going to help us to do it with more strength and ease. Can build mobility at the same time. If you can engage your core, this is a great core stability exercise as well. There's an element to balance here. Couple more, really. Let's hold it, this one, hold that, push that foot. Yes. Again, last one, really feel the ankle. Oh, not bad. Okay, wide stance. Side lunge, push the arms out. Bring real focus into this. We're building a leg strength here, core stability, mobility in these movements. But ultimately, we're taking and reclaiming our energy where we decide to direct our attention. We've been a little silly today. And that's okay too. Let's enjoy everything that life has to offer. And I truly believe when we bring more attention, more presence into everything we do, we find more joy. Lasting happiness that comes from within, not outside of us. Maybe you can reach a little further. A little further. Oh, yes. Last one, bring it in. Brilliant. I want to end our day with a moving meditation, but using this sit to stand just to reinforce the quality of this movement, what it can do for us. But let's just bring your attention. Real slow as we finish off for the day. Change the way you look at things, and the things you look at change. Thank you, Dr. Wayne Dyer, for everything you've taught me. But that line is so true. Let's take the stairs every opportunity we get. I leave you with that. And when we change the way we look at things and see stairs as an opportunity, an invitation, as something that's fun, then that thing that we look at does change. When I got started this morning, the crows were making a real racket. It's like, how am I gonna film with all that noise? And then I noticed they were doing it and started chasing a fox. And it became a magical moment for me prejudging it, thinking it was bad as the crows go again. Nothing good or bad. Thinking makes it so. Last one. Hold it for just a moment. We're a little muddled today. Let's see how this all turns out. Progress over perfection. I am so truly grateful for you being here. Please let me know how it goes. How this, see, can't get anything straight. How this session went for you today. I feel amazing, imperfection and all. I will see you again tomorrow. Goodbye.